Hello world, my name is Mukesh Nath and I am introducing CS50 Final Project CRM Dashboards. It's basically a college management software and a web-based application based on Flask. My usernames are there is my info and I'm recording this on 7/29. It's basically a web-based CRM dashboard for managing students, leads, notifications and having multiple. So have a look at it. This is readme and here is a run.py, so I manually need to write flask run, so it's making it easy. So let's try it. Python run.py and it works, and there is the URL. When I follow it, here is a login page. So let's add login with the admin credentials. So when I log in, I find some dummy data. Is this dashboard with graphs, recent student, recent leads, and fee payments. When I hover over student, there is a add student button, and I can directly export it. It works, and import CV also works. So there are some data I can edit it, like add new, and much more. Same as leads, and lead also, like here's my fee, student name is like Mukesh, and amount of something like this, not unpaid. All users, there are all type of user: admin user, and one of the student type user, parent user, staff user. Everyone have their own credentials and own authorities. Admin can control everything, and student and parents can have some notification and notice about their fee structures and much more. Here is this setting, so I can control everyone, and I can add new and update my password and credential. Only update. I cannot delete admin account, so that's much. Just for my. So let's check parent user. That's it. Is pending fee of the restaurant, pending fees. There's information about